Alright, I'm recording.
Hi.
Don't put it on me.
We're just sitting around drinking as usual. We're about to do a shotgun
I drink shit.
to make the night interesting.
Who you drinking with?
I'm drinking with Mikey Peece and Tanner 666 Satan. I don't even know what to say.
I'm about to start over because you're just doing this horribly.
Kind of scared to get shit faced because the other night cut myself on a 40 bottle.
Yep.
Got 6 stitches from it. Taking the 40-ounce metal crew to a whole new level.
We'll take it to the other level and shock it with a spoon.
Yes.
I want to see you pop it.
Should I do it now?
Yeah, might as well.
Alright, let's see if I can do it.
Trying to make a short video anyway.
40-ounce spoon crew. So this is like a procedure.
Yeah, you gotta.
We don't need sharp objects around us.
It's working!
Stitches come after.
It's working. And there's the fucking biggest hole I've ever shotgunned out of in my life.
Jesus Christ.
Oh God!
I want you to make my hole, Tanner.
Look, it's Willy Wonka's spoon. Everything's gonna be ridiculous.
It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall right down your
I
throat,
want you to
dude.
make my hole. No, I want you to make my hole.
I don't think
I got a
you.
knife.
You don't even need to pop the top.
Spoon.
You don't even have to pop the top,
We
bro.
can shotgun at different
Let's
times.
see.
Shotgun yours and then
All right, you take this, and I'll make her beers for us.
All right.
Goddamn spoon. What do you know about using a spoon to make a shotgun?
We need spoons because knives are dangerous. Knives cause stitches.
Do you realize that
And 40-ounce bottles.
do you realize that you're turning it? You're doing the whole thing backwards.
You were so vain.
You're recording yourself right now,
My bad.
and you were turning around to while you
Talking
talk,
while I was
pointing
looking
towards
at
us.
this fucking abyss.
My bad.
Oh my God, it's bigger than my thumb.
Did you not notice it?
No, I didn't.
You're recording me again.
I'm not usually the video camera guy.
Let's see how this goes down.
All right.
I feel like I'm so close to you, Tanner.
I might throw up on this.
I'll get these ready.
Alright, here we go.
Baby, did you zoom this? Because it is awfully close.
I didn't. You might have.
I'm gonna step back. Because you guys are like
Hit the
up close and personal.
hit the volume button. Volume. Volume. Not your. It's not on your screen. It's on the side of your.
Yeah, but don't talk to me like I'm dumb.
Got it.
Oh, there it goes. Why do you know how to work my phone better than me?
All right. Here's your.
Did you hold me?
Should have used a spoon.
You gotta hold it like that.
You should have used a spoon.
No. Like that.
That's a big asshole.
Oh shit.
That's what he
Look
said.
at the size difference. Look at the fucking difference in the...
You want to go ahead and do it?
Alright.
Well, look at the difference though. This is ridiculous.
Yours is a bigger hole than mine.
My can's got a mouth.
All right.
You just hit the
As
dog
your-
with a
you
cigarette.
still had the
I'm actually
zoom
pretty
on.
intimidated by the fucking size of this thing.
Alright. Ready for the stand.
Roger Sanders, I didn't really know, but...
Yeah, I didn't know him, but a lot of our friends did.
I'm trying to psych myself out.
Rest in peace.
Yeah, it's for him.
God damn.
Ooh. Nice.
Warm.
All right, I gotta do mine.
Woo!
No, there it is.
Oh,
Never thought to look right in front of me.
oh my God.
Rugby. It's not rugby day, but rugby should get a week.
Yeah. Any videos?
We did.
Because we
Rugby
I
day
had
was a
one.
bad day for us.
We almost had her 40 down, and my camera ran out of room on my memory card. So, sorry about that, Rugby.
Rugby day is the day I got my stitches.
Yeah.
Rugby.
I talk better after a shotgun. I think you're right. That's what my brother does.
Oh, nice. People do these videos for whatever. We do it for fun.
Everybody does it.
I'm saying shotgun's kind of a warm up for us.
Yeah.
Again, I want to say, Rugby, I apologize for failing my 800 challenge. I so wanted to accomplish that.
We broke up for a while because of it. It's not my girlfriend.
That hurt.
You always love me. Don't lie.
All the food with
That gigantic slab of pork chops.
Don't lie. You'll always love me. You asshole. Rugby.
I want to see you do a shotgun with a spoon.
You have taken that to a whole new level, Tina.
I'm eccentric. I use spoons these days.
keep in your ear now.
Yeah, this one.
Case.
Just in case I gotta do another one sometime.
Do you guys want to do any shout outs? You got a few minutes.
Do a couple shout outs, yeah. Try to do it all the time. Yeah.
You do yours. I have a few I want to do for everybody who supported me on the 800 challenge.
On YouTube?
I had a lot of supporters.
I don't even know who some of those people were.
I don't either, and it was pretty cool.
So I was like the really weird racist guy. Really big is a fruit. Look at any fruit. Name it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Doomsday Danny.
Of course.
Black Metal Troy. I don't think he's put any videos up in a while.
Troy, yes, you did one yesterday.
Did he do one? I haven't looked. Y'all understand, I do everything on my phone. It's really hard for me to watch videos.
Yeah, at least you can upload from your phone. I gotta get an SD card.
Yeah, I can make them. I can upload them.
I have an extra one,
It's all
Tanner.
slow.
You have it, I think.
Takes like
adapter for
it takes like 2 hours to upload a video.
an SD adapter.
Death Hung 40, Storm Horizon, Jason Powell. We just reposted a video on Tanner's page, Tanner666 Satan.
Just for you, Jason.
Yeah, we're drinking Blue Bull.
And rugby too. I think.
Yeah, it's for rugby too. It's when we're about to make our videos for rugby. We're starting out with a Deuce Blue Bull.
That's when you caught me coming home from work.
Yeah. We posted it once. It shows it's there, but it's not there. So I just redid it. Blossom grab bag, yeah. Who?
The DOC, his buddy in these videos.
The DOC?
That guy's crazy.
Yeah.
Do you care if I do a couple shout outs?
Cowboy like me, give him a shot.
Cowboy like me. Yeah. Oh, somebody new I just saw. What was it? 40s for Powers. Go ahead, babe. Do
Here.
do
Your
some
turn.
more.
Everybody who's
All right, video's over. Sorry, talk y'all later. I'm good.
Everybody who supported me in my 800 challenge, I tried my hardest. I had just worked a 10-hour shift.
Yeah.
Wasn't in the right frame of mind, but I will come back to it, and I will have a redemption video.
You also had Shrek next to you.
In my video.
Yeah, I had somebody next to me making puking noises, which was fucking me up.
Fucking Jason.
So,
me and you do. We just got our 40s down, just the 40. Like I was like, no, I'm not doing two. I already know I can't do the.
Well, I did 1.5 in 5 minutes. I tried.
Yeah.
Shout out to Rugby.
Yeah.
Sorry I failed you on your day.
Oh, he's got enough shots.
Jason Powell.
Hell to pay. I already said
Pump
Jason.
40. Hell to pay.
Yeah.
You supported me the whole way through. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Doomsday Danny, Black Metal Troy,
Who's that?
Storm
We are-
Horizon.
You're just renaming
Wait,
people.
wait.
See?
No, I'm
Wait.
saying my
You said you had
shout-outs.
some people you had to shout out.
Who's Black Metal Troy?
I don't know. What a
Connect-
stupid name, though.
One more.
Just kidding.
Connected
Seriously, who is
510. And the numerous people that I've never even heard of. It was Hippie, Sunshine, something. That,
Well, they're subscribed to you now, so they
well,
can.
they
need,
came up on my YouTube page.
They need to get on the crew.
They told me how fucking awesome I was, and I appreciate it.
The Metal 40?
Definitely.
The Metal 40.
That night, the Metal 40,
Yeah.
of course.
CM6000.
That night was definitely fucking crazy. I ended up with 6 stitches in my arm
Abraham
because of
Lincoln.
it. Good times.
You still talking about that? I thought you were shouting
Yeah.
people out.
Afro Turf.
Good times. Good times.
9 months.
Afro Turf.
9 months.
If I forgot somebody, I'll get you on my next video.
Yeah,
But there will be a
There's somebody
redemption
that you're both forgetting.
800
Right.
Club video.
Yeah, West Side.
Yeah, West Side. Fuck
West
you.
Side,
There's
fuck
also
you.
somebody you guys are both
West
forgetting.
Side, fuck
Very
you.
important to us all.
Tanner 666 Satan.
Oh
Look.
yeah, him too.
Of course.
Did you fucking forget me?
And
I'm right in front of you.
And Harley Peece.
Harley Peece.
I'm the reason you guys are doing this.
No,
Yeah.
we don't. You're here.
I know, but I mean, if
I will.
I got tired of saying that every time. Like I'm not gonna shout people out that are sitting right here
Yes,
with
you
me.
will. You will.
I
or
will
you're out.
redeem myself on the 800 Club.
Hey, Jedi Blaster.
Jedi Blaster, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And like I said, all the people that subscribe to my YouTube page,
Yeah.
thank you.
Wouldn't that be like
I try.
Huh?
Boba Fett's the Jedi Blaster, isn't he? He shoots all the Jedis.
Anyway, anywho,
How many minutes? Is
there will be a redemption
12.
video
12?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a quick one.
of my
Supposed to
800
be.
Club.
Wow.
Well,
Held to pay, you give me motivation.
we're not
You
doing
and I
much
will
tonight
do it.
anyway, so
And
some
I'm
shout
just
out.
there to demotivate
shout
her
outs would be a
so she
good
doesn't
thing.
win.
And yeah,
Mhm.
everybody who told me I couldn't do it, wouldn't do it.
And I was right.
Yeah, Tanner, you were right. You guys
All right,
psych me the
and-
fuck out, and I will redeem myself.
Still
40
recording.
ounce metal crew.
Still watching.
Cheers. Ah.
My chest hurts.
Any more shout outs?
I got everybody I can remember.
I'm terrible with that.
That shotgun got me lightheaded as shit. He just put it right inside me.
Did it?
Yeah, it was... flying.
Harley did hers quicker than you did.
Harley Peece.
Harley Peece.
You want some 40-ounce spoon?
Harley Peece. Say I love you.
Man, she ain't gonna do it.
Say I
All
love
right.
you.
That's enough time.
Taking it off. We're about 13 minutes.
Say it.
All right, 40 ounce metal crew.